What a nice party.
Yes, it's very fun. I love it.
By the way, my name is Hương. Nice to meet you.
My name is Ha. Nice to meet you too.
What's your job, Ha? Are you a teller?
No, I'm not. I'm not a tailor.
Are you a banker?
No, I'm not. I'm not a banker. I'm a nurse.
I see. You're a nurse. It's a very interesting job.
Yes, I love my job. How about you? Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not. I'm not a teacher.
Are you a designer?
Yes, I am. I'm a designer.
Wow, the designer is a very interesting job too.
Thank you.
Last week I went to a very nice party too, and I met a lot of interesting people there.
Really? Maybe we went to the same party last week. Tell me about the people you met.
The first one was a man. His name is Nam.
Ah, Mr. Nam. Maybe I know him. Is he a doctor?
No, he isn't. He isn't a doctor. He's a vet.
So his name is Nam and he's a vet.
Yes, that's right.
I don't think I met him before. Who else?
The second one was a woman. Her name is Hoa. Do you know her?
I'm not sure. Is she a baker?
Yeah, she is. She's a baker.
So her name is Hoa and she's a baker.
Yes, that's right.
I think I know her.
How about you? Tell me about the people you met.
The first one was a woman. Her name is Chang.
Ah, Miss Chang. Maybe I know her. Is she a tutor?
No, she isn't. She isn't a tutor. She's a doctor.
So her name is Chang and she's a doctor?
Yes, that's right.
I don't think I met her before. Who else?
The second one was a man. His name is Tuấn. Do you know him?
I'm not sure. Is he a lawyer?
Yes, he is. He's a lawyer.
So his name is Tuấn and he's a lawyer?
Yes, that's right.
I think I know him.
Oh no, my mother's calling me home.
You really have to go now?
I'm sorry, I love to stay, but I have to go now. She's waiting outside.
Never mind. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Me too. See you later.
See you later.